Diaphanous. Very light and thin. She wore a diaphanous dress. The cloth looked soft and diaphanous. Gerrymandering. Changing voting areas unfairly. The leaders were accused of gerrymandering. Gerrymandering can affect election results. Adherence. Sticking to rules or beliefs. His adherence to rules was strong. The team showed adherence to the plan. Inauguration. The start of something important. The inauguration of the president was grand. They attended the inauguration ceremony. Prestigious. Very respected and admired. He studied at a prestigious school. She won a prestigious award. Ratification. Official approval. The agreement needed ratification. The law passed after ratification. Repeal. To cancel a law. The government decided to repeal the rule. People demanded the repeal of the law. Repugnance. Strong dislike. He felt repugnance for cruelty. Her face showed repugnance. Congruity. Agreement or harmony. There was congruity in their ideas. The design showed perfect congruity. Consecrate. To make something holy. The temple was consecrated. They consecrated the place with prayer. Consign. To send or hand over. He consigned the package to the courier. She consigned the task to him. Dilatory. Slow or causing delay. His dilatory actions delayed the work. They warned him about being dilatory. Diminutive. Very small. She had a diminutive figure. The toy was small and diminutive. Didactic. Made to teach something. The story had a didactic message. His speech was very didactic. Concomitant. Happening at the same time. Stress is a concomitant of hard work. The changes came with concomitant effects. Conduit. A channel for something to pass. The pipe acts as a conduit for water. He became a conduit for information. Confidant. A trusted person. She shared her secrets with her confidant. He is my closest confidant. Concord. Peace and agreement. The countries lived in Concord. They worked together in Concord. Contusion. A bruise. He had a contusion on his arm. The fall caused a painful contusion. Consecutive. Following one after another. He won 3 consecutive matches. She studied for 5 consecutive days. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.